Hello everyone, welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus on today's newspaper on Saturday, September the 5th, 2020. We have here Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic. So total of six Sudokus to solve, and the first one will be number 1470. And before I start, I always count the printed digits, the numbers. Usually the One Star Sudoku has 27. Let me check if this is correct. We have here 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 3 is 12, plus 3 is 15, 16, plus 3 is 19, plus 3 is 22, 22 plus 5 is equal to 27. Correct. So let's get started. Alright. Let me see. How about the number? We have here in this column, middle column, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this middle column for the numbers 1 and 8. I cannot place them directly, so I mark them for you. We have a 4 in this column, a 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. And then a 5 in this row, a 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the middle, in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 5. How about the number? These 2 numbers in this big square. The 2 numbers left are the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 6 and a 7. So here cannot be a 6. Here should be the 6 and the 7 goes there. Then how about 6. How about 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. In this column, we have a 2 and a 9 here, so no 2 and a 9 in these 3 boxes, so the 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. Then how about the number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. No 7 in these 3 boxes. There are 7. No 7 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in the middle row. So the 4 and the 6 cannot be in these 3 boxes. So the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. I cannot fill this directly. 6 and the 4. That means the other 3 numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 5. And look, we have the 1 and the 5 here already, so this box cannot be a 1 and a 5, so 1 digit left should be the 2. 1 and a 5 goes in these 2 boxes. I cannot, oh yes, we have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, and then let me see. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yes, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1. And then how about in this second column, 3 missing numbers. 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. So we have a 4 and a 6 in this row. So no 4 and a 6 in this box. The 4 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. The 6 goes there. 1 number left in this second column for the number 8. 8 is missing, yes. Then 1, 8 and 1, 8 and the 4. Alright. 3, 3, 8. 3, 8 and the 9. Yes. We have 3 missing numbers in the middle row. Those numbers are the 3, the 8, and the 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 3 and the 8 are left. We see here 3, or there 3, so no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left, 1 digit left in the middle row for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about this last column? 3 missing numbers. 1 of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 6 and this should be a 1. Now we have a 6 here. So this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 4. Then let me see. These 2 boxes in this row for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. I mark them for you. It's a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 7 and 8. I mark them again. It's a pair. Alright. These 2 boxes in the last column. It's a pair. The 8 and the 2 are missing. 8 and a 2. We have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Then 2, 2. How about... we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 4. Alright, so we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this first row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We have a 2 here. Is this a 2? No, this is an... Yeah, this is a 2. 2. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2. And this should be the 6. Then 3, 9, and the 7 are missing in this big square. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. How about these 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 8? We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be an 8, and this should be a 7. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. The 3 is missing, the 8 is missing. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 1 box left in the last row for the number 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 9 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 7 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. 7 and 3. Let me mark them for you. How about these 2 numbers in this column? The 3 and the 9 are missing. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku in this additional. It will be a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.